Guys, we're gonna go mudding with my friend River today. Okay. This is his name, KID. I know I said it would pin his username in the comments on last video, but that's his username, guys. That's what his avatar looks like. So let's go mudding. Wait, let me get a truck, guys. Which one? Guys, this one or this one? I went mudding with that one last video, so I'm gonna go mudding with this one. Okay. So this is my other one. Okay, River, take me to the mudding spot. Wait, where you at?
Cody, catch.
Wait, can I get an ATV to put up there?
No.
Wait, go to the customize shop. Stop there so I can make all of my stuff. Where, alright, bro. Wait, can you invite me something so I can go on top of your trailer? Alright, I'm gonna send you an invite. Wait, is it on white list? On white list? How do you send you an invite? Like to go on your trailer? Oh, never mind. So I'm allowed to go on your trailer? Alright. Wait.
Menu, hit open, and then put whoever you want up there.
Alright. Y'all heard him. Y'all heard him clearly.
Get in the truck.
Hey, wait, we can fit one more ATV on this thing.
No, we can't.
Yes, we can.
That black line.
It can't go past that black line, bro. I promise you. You're, bro, right there. Dang, this thing is so tiny. It can go up here. Okay, wait, I'm almost done. Okay. That should be good. Yo, that's perfect. Oh, wait, it's still on. Yeah, right there. Alright, that's good. Yeah, let's go and roll, bro. Y'all can't even see inside of this truck. Look. Bro, I feel like it's falling off, but it's not. Yeah, that's perfectly on. We going to the house first? Near our house or past our house? Alright. Guys, so our house, you can join us if we're online and we're playing 8 p.m. You go this way, just keep going straight. Follow the way we go. Make sure you look everywhere to make sure it's the correct thing. Okay? Just follow River. And guys, comment down below in the video so I can add you, and River can add you, even though His real name is River. His username is Kid. Wait, bro, my game is glitching. Wait, are you still driving? Oh. Stop. Yo, I'm not in. Okay, I'm in. Okay, I'm gonna head to the store. Yeah, it's fine, guys. Let's get some food. Oh, I'm gonna get a hamburger. All right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna keep my drink, and I'm River. Come on, we're gonna go to the truck and River. Am I driving? I'm still gonna eat my food inside the truck. I'm not. Wait, I'm eating in this truck. Nothing. Dang it! I spilled my soda. Just kidding. I drank it all. Guys, I might have to delete one of my things so I can go get my truck and go mudding. I'm a truck mud. Yo, I don't think the truck can make it up here. I might have to get my truck out. Wait, I gotta go. You flipped your ATV? Oh, I'm getting my truck. Alright. Wait, bro, wait for me. Bro, did you just fall off your bike? What happened? Yo, where are you at? Where are you at? I don't even see you. Am I going the wrong way? Bro, I feel like I'm going the wrong way. I went straight. Do I have to take that turn? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I see you. We might go fishing out here soon. It's in the truck. Oh, stop! I can walk through. You're just in my way. No, I'm not. Alright. Can I get my fishing pole? Alright. Me too. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I got a bite too. Ooh, I'm fighting it. Wait, let me get the net. I got him. Look at it. Yeah, let's set it free. Alright, let's keep it for dinner. I'm gonna go put it in my cooler. Alright, I'm gonna throw it again. Ow! Huh? Wait, I got a bite. Bro, get the net. Alright, put it in my cooler. Yeah, I got a 10-pound bass. Ow! Alright. Alright, let's go back to the truck, and I got a grill in the back of my truck. Wait, don't you got a grill in your truck? You flipped it? Do I need to come and help? Wait, I'm gonna go to the truck. Alright. You did? Alright, wait. Let me get back to the truck so I can get that so I can get the grill. Alright, I got the grill. Wait, I gotta get it. Alright. Gotta get it out of your truck. Alright, I got it, bro. Alright, bro, I'm gonna go the quick way. I'm going the quick way. Did I pass you? Yeah, where you at? Yeah, where you at? Huh? Why?